Here we go. The team draft order, doing it 4 times for CNC 1039. 4 times as per Trudes. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2010 MGRV is number 1. Puck Fan is number 2. CM McDonald number 3. B Bristol number 4. Larry's 5. Mr. Barth is 6. TMLX Crosby is 7 and 8. Oscar Simon is 9. Trudes is 10. B Bristol is 11. KL Fresh is 12. Royce Aldred is 13. Gradation 14. Lee is 15. Bruin 77 16. R.Y. Orochi is 17. Royce is 18. Siska is 19. Trudes 20. Samborski is 21. Dash Felix is 22. Samborski 23. Ovechkin Fan 8 is 24. Puck Fan is 25. Lee is 26. Century Sam is 27. And Crazy 8 is 28. More coming up right after this.